In this video, you will learn about forecasting models, the tools used to make informed predictions about the future across many real-world situations, from estimating how much flu medicine to stock, to how many megawatts a city will need tonight, to whether it is the right time to borrow money. Every forecasting model is hunting for the same four things inside your data. The overall trend is demand growing or shrinking, seasonality, long cycles, and random noise that no model can ever predict. Forecasting means separating signal from noise. The second generation of forecasting models, random forests, gradient boosting, reframe the whole problem. Instead of modeling a series mathematically, they treat it as a regression task. Yesterday's value, last week's value, the month of the year, these become input features. The model learns which combinations predict tomorrow. The future is uncertain, but it is not random. Forecasting models find the structure hiding in history and use it to make better decisions, not perfect ones. In the next videos, we'll continue exploring how to build, train, and deploy neural network models using neural design.